back to my channel. Be optimistic. Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm here with another video on IELTS reading. In this video, I will try to provide in-depth knowledge regarding how to solve blanks in IELTS reading and get correct answers. So you have to watch this video till end, and in my previous video I have explained few tips as well as method to attempt IELTS reading, and today we will try to attempt reading in this by following all those tips. And if you haven't watched that video, then you can get the link in description box. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel, like my videos and share with your friends as well. So let's dive into today's concept without wasting your precious time right now. So today I'll solve a reading with the title The Flavor of Pleasure. It is CAM Official Test 2 reading, and as I told you earlier that today I will let you know how to attempt the blanks. So we will just attempt the blanks of this reading. So firstly we will read the questions. We have 1 to 5 questions, blanks, and firstly we will read the instructions. Those are: choose no more than 2 words from the text for each answer. Means we can't write more than 2 words for all of these given blanks, right? Our answer can be of 1 word or can be of 2 words, right? So now we will read the blanks, right? And our first blank says, according to scientists, the term dash. Means here are, as I told you that we have to locate the keyword scientist. The term dash characterize the most critical factor in appreciating flavor. Appreciate means praise, flavor means taste. So these are our 2 keywords, right? And our second blank says savory is better known word for. Savory is our keyword over here, is better known word for. And our third question is, the tongue was originally developed. Tongue can't be replaced, right? Was originally developed to recognize means identify unpleasant taste. Here our keyword is tongue and unpleasant taste, right? And our next blank is human nasal cavities. Nasal means related to nose. Nasal cavities, recognize means identify, dash much better than external ones. Here comparison is being going on, right? In our fifth and last blank is Gordon Shepherd, which is the name of a person, uses word neurogastronomy. Again our keyword, to draw together a number of dash related to enjoyment of eating, right? So we firstly locate the keywords in all the given blanks, and I would also recommend you guys to translate these blanks in your mother tongue so that you can easily find the answer, and try to prove all the words of the question in the text as well, so that you can always get right answer, right? So now I will translate the questions for you. First, according to scientists means scientists ਦੇ according एक particular term है जो characterize करती है एक most critical factor flavor ਨੂੰ appreciate ਕਰਨ ਦੇ ਲਈ. Means we have to write the name of that term, right? And second question ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ savory ਨੂੰ better known word ਕਿਹਦੇ ਲਈ ਵਧੀਆ like name ਲਈ ਜਾਣਿਆ ਜਾਂਦਾ, savory ਨੂੰ ਹੋਰ ਕੀ ਕਹਿ ਸਕਦੇ, it means, right? ਐਂਡ ਥਰਡ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ, ਜਿਹੜੀ ਟੰਗ ਆਪਣੀ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਓਰੀਜਨਲੀ ਉਹ ਕਦ ਲਈ ਡੈਵਲਪ ਹੋਈ ਸੀ, ਆਈਡੈਂਟੀਫਾਈ ਕਰਨਾ ਅਨਪਲੇਜ਼ੈਂਟ ਮੀਨਸ ਨੋਟ ਟੇਸਟੀ, ਟੇਸਟਲੈਸ, ਔਰ ਵੀ ਕੈਨ ਸੇ ਬੈਡ ਟੇਸਟ, ਰਾਈਟ? ਉਹਨੂੰ ਕਿਹੜੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਦੇ ਅਨਪਲੇਜ਼ੈਂਟ ਟੇਸਟ ਨੂੰ ਆਈਡੈਂਟੀਫਾਈ ਕਰਨ ਦੇ ਲਈ ਡੈਵਲਪ ਹੋਈ ਸੀ. ਐਂਡ ਫੋਰਥ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ, ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹਿਊਮਨ ਨੈਸਲ ਕੈਵਿਟੀਜ਼ ਨੇ, ਜਿਹੜੀ ਨੋਜ਼ ਨਾਲ ਰਿਲੇਟਡ ਕੈਵਿਟੀਜ਼ ਨੇ, ਉਹ ਰੈਕੋਗਨਾਈਜ਼ ਕਰਦੀਆਂ, ਉਹ ਬੈਟਰ ਵੇ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਿਹੜੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਨੂੰ ਆਈਡੈਂਟੀਫਾਈ ਕਰਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਰਾਦਰ ਦੈਨ ਐਕਸਟਰਨਲ, ਰਾਈਟ? ਐਂਡ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਫਿਫਥ ਬਲੈਂਕਸ ਹੈ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਮੈਂਸ਼ਨ ਕੀਤਾ ਕਿ ਗੌਰਡਨ ਸ਼ੈਫਰਡ, उन्हें वर्ड यूज़ किया न्यूरोगैस्ट्रोनॉमी टू ड्रॉ टुगैदर अ नंबर ऑफ डैश, नंबर ऑफ केड़ी चीज़ां रिलेटेड टू इंजॉयमेंट ऑफ ईटिंग. सो we will try to prove all these words in the paragraph as well. Now we have read all these blanks, so we will try to find the answers in paragraph. And one more thing is here, that whenever you get the question in this, whenever you get any word in the single quotes, there are, we can say 98% chances that this kind of word will be in the same way in the paragraph as well, means it would be also in the quotes, means paragraph ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ single quotes ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ given ਹੋਏਗਾ, right? So let's locate the answers. जो भी ਆਪਾਂ question पढ़े, we will try to keep all those questions in our mind while finding the answers. So our keywords were scientist, right? Scientist. Then savory as well. Our first and second questions keyword were these, right? And right, and next one was tongue, right? So first question कि scientist के according एक particular term का name mention करना. The taste, texture and feel of food are what we tend to focus on, but the most important are slight puffs of air as we chew our food, what scientists call retronasal smell. Means scientist gave the name as a retronasal smell, right? Our first answer is here. And second question was savory, is better known word for, ठीक है, savory. Here we have given the flavors, 5 basic flavors: sweet, salty, sour, bitter and umami, or what is more commonly referred to as savory, right? Umami or means जहाँ, ठीक है, better known word हो गया है umami. This is our second answer. Third question ਸੀ कि टंग्स ਨੂੰ ओरिजिनली ਡਿਵੈਲਪ ਕੀਤਾ ਗਿਆ ਸੀ ਕਿਹੜੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਦੇ ਟੇਸਟ ਨੂੰ ਆਇਡੈਂਟੀਫਾਈ ਕਰਨ ਦੇ ਲਈ. But our tongues are inaccurate instruments as far as flavor is concerned. They evolved means develop हुई to recognize only a few basic taste in order to quickly identify उथे recognize mention की the toxins, right? Our answer is toxins. Third answer is toxins. Hope you all remember that in our fifth question our keyword was Gordon Shepherd, right? That was the name of person that can't be replaced. And we also get this term in question as well, that was neurogastronomy, right? So as I told you that in reading it is not mandatory to follow the order strictly. You can find the answer of fifth question even before the third question or even in the starting as well. It depends upon you. And we can come back to question number 4 later on as well, right? So we will try to read from the beginning of the sentence in which the name of Gordon Shepherd is mentioned. Smell has been the most poorly understood of our senses, and only recently has neuroscience led by Yale University's Gordon Shepherd begun to shed light on its workings. Shepherd has come up with the term neurogastronomy to link the disciplines of food science. Come up with term link the discipline of food science, neurology, psychology and anthropology with the savory element of eating, one of the most enjoyed of human experience, right? So have a look at back where our questions are written. Our question was uses word neurogastronomy to draw together a number of dash related to enjoyment of eating, related to one of the most enjoyment of human experience. Eating all word prove होगी. Eating also given here, enjoyment of human experience, here it is mentioned that enjoyment of eating, right? And person's name neurogastronomy. To draw a number of means create a link of disciplines, right? Our answer would be discipline here. And we are left with the question number 4 here, that is that was related to human nasal cavities. And I hope you remember that in that question there was a link, there was a word for the comparison then, right? So we can see here that unlike a hound skull with its extra long nose means nasal cavities which evolved specifically to detect external smells, our nose have evolved to detect internal scents. Here they are making comparisons. comma. By the help of comma. Our nose has evolved. It is human nasal cavities recognized. Nasal cavities means nose, recognize, identify, dash, internal smells, right? Much better than external ones. Sorry, our answer would be internal scents. By mistake, I've written over there internal smells. So these are our answer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hope you understood this method. Try to locate the keywords, translate the answers in your mind and your mother tongue, and try to prove all the given words. So next, have a look at the answers of this reading. So guys, let's have a look on our answers. First answer is retronasal smell, means our answer is correct. Second is umami. Third one is toxins. Fourth one is internal scents or smells. And fifth one is disciplines, right? Means all answers are correct. So so try to attempt blanks in this way, and you guys can also attempt the blanks of journal reading in the same manner, but don't spend too much time on finding the answers of the blanks. But I have to spend near about 7 to 8 minutes in this video because I have to explain each and everything to you guys. But I used to solve the 5 questions, 5 blanks in 2 or maximum 3 minutes. So try to do so. Immediately locate the key, uh, identify the keywords that can't be replaced in the paragraph, then try to locate those in the paragraph and prove all the words over there. So that's all for today, and if you guys face any difficulty while finding the blanks, correct answers for the blanks, you guys can ask me in the comment box as well. I hope that this video will be fruitful for you guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Bye bye.